Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website, and that faucet website pay you BTC. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you instantly faucet to your faucet pay. And if you want to earn, this website link available in the description. Okay, it's very easy to claim from this website. Just put your faucet pay wallet address in here, just come down and just click login. Okay, first in here login. Okay, then you can claim your free faucet. This website pay you 3 Satoshi every 5 minutes. This is one of the highest paying faucet website. Okay, this is the capture 1C2A. Just come down to found. Okay, 1C2A. Okay, 1C2A, this one. And come up 2C. Okay, 2C is down. This is 2C. Go back again, 2B and 3B, and come down and solve this little capture too. Just type it 8 day suck and just click it, and this website pay you instantly in your faucet pay without any timer, without anything. After 5 minutes you can come back and claim again. Go to your faucet pay, reload the page. Okay, and you will find this website pay you 3 BTC instantly in your faucet pay. Right now this one is the highest payment way. 3 BTC is the highest every 5 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.